One more video for you Redneck Rumble people. I'm going to show you guys my top 10 of this weekend, what I thought was the best rides, unique stuff that just stuck out to me. Let's go, let's get into this. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit the like button on the Redneck Rumble videos. Check out part 1 through 4. There was a lot of amazing rides. It was hard to pick a top 10, but let's go. Let's get into it. Thank you everybody that has subscribed. We appreciate your support. We're coming back with a lot more content, so stay tuned. Hit the bell notification to get notified. We'll see you shortly.
I feel almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid.